So this weekend is Cassie's birthday. All weekend, because she's too awesome to just have her birthday on Sunday. It's her actual birthday.
Yep.
And she told me actually a couple minutes ago that her mom's birthday is on Sunday. And so I figure, like, that must have been a really great birthday for her mom, right? So it's like, happy birthday to you. I'm in labor! Happy birthday to you. Go on! Happy birthday, dear. Whatever your mom's name is. Happy birthday to you. Insert moaning pain sounds here. Yeah.
Go on, Kate. Insert them. We've been sitting in the gas station. Wow, it just looks like we're like in no place right now because there's nobody there. But there are cars. We've been sitting here for a good, I don't know, 20 minutes. We don't know what to do. What should we do, Kate?
You know what you inherited from your mom?
What?
All your prettiness and your randomness and your stupidity. Want to know what you inherited from your dad?
What?
AA in the future. Not just AA, everything that comes with AA. Like directions. Fucking directions. For everywhere.
Because everywhere we go, it's just like, I don't know where we are. Recognizes the place. Oh yeah, this is the way that I went to take my dad to AA.
Or this is where we used to drive home coming from AA. Or even better, the most recent one. Oh, this is where my dad used to take me out for food after I brought him to AA.
Mucho mango. And books, because we're smart motherfuckers.
No, we're not.
Not really. Forever alone. Too bad no one cares.
That is legit right there.
We're terrible, but you know what? It's funny. Yeah, we're in
Actually, I
Walmart.
like Jacob. I thought he was cool.
He's a good character.
He was the only character with an actual personality.
So yeah, we're in Walmart. Because we're always in Walmart. Because, like I said, we like reading. We just spent like a half hour reading this. Not much of reading, but it's close enough. Kate. Ooh, I need this. We have a Blu-ray player. This one was so good too. This one was so good.
I know, you told me bombs. So, I have to... we're in the microphone. So I have to bring this up. We're walking around Walmart. And we saw... people looking at me, hang on. So we saw, we walked past the... robes and fluffy pajama pants. And I asked Cassie, I was like, I've always wanted to... Where am I aiming? Total bombing? I was like, okay, am I the only one that's always just wanted to take all of the fluffiness, like the fluffy pants, or the, walking over here, or the fluffy robes, and just throw them in a giant pile on the floor, like a giant fucking pile on the floor, and then just jump in it, like you would leaves? Am I the only one?
Yeah.
I feel really lame. Cassie says yes. But you know what? They just don't judge me because, you know what? It just seems really soft and fluffy and warm. And I am a whore for things that are warm. So we were walking, right? And we're going to go over here because there's nobody over here to look at us awkwardly. And we were walking, right? And like we walked past like an aisle or whatever. And some foreign guy and his mom just walking, and then all of a sudden, randomly, she asked him something, and like, this sounded actually foreign, and then he answered her. You know how we sound when we're just
Derping.
throwing out random syllables and then what we're saying, like, yeah, like that? Legit, that's what he did.
Yep.
Legit.
And it, both of our eyes just, we were just walking, both of us just went like,
and then we were like, did you just
yep,
aware of what just happened? And we were like, yeah.
Did you think of what I thought of when that happened? Yeah.
And then we got a little bit farther and I was like, and Cassie was like, I should hit you.
He was right there. And he turned around like,
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh. I regret nothing.
Sir Cliff in a box.
He's nuts.
Where's one of the nuts?
He's only $5.50. Anyway, he's only $5.58. Cliff, why are you so cheap?
These nuts. And now you shall be jealous.
It's red velvet stuck in my mouth. She's like, what's the orange light?
So, he said sure.
Internet don't think that that means vagina, because it really doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
It's better.
It's gonna get very, very funny.
I can't show you guys, because, you know...
Yeah. So I'll cut this part out.
Yeah, don't we don't see the...
I just want his
picture.
reaction.
Yeah, you don't see the actual picture.
Yeah.
But it's amazing, guys, because I'm dissecting cats in biology. And when I said cat, of course I meant dead cat.
Yep. So now we wait for his reaction to this.
Send the fucking picture.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh, 8 seconds to death. 5 seconds to death. 4 seconds, 2 seconds to death. It's gonna be us for a few minutes. You're such a dick. You probably just like stomped away from the computer right now.
Or went to like vomit or something. Or he's just completely done with me. Oh.
We're terrible people.
Yeah, we are.
But it's okay. Huh. Stop getting around my rate.
I don't even know where you're going with that.
Me either. I was kind of expecting a better reaction.
I was too. Give it a second. It's Cliffy. It's usually delayed.
Yeah. We'll see. So we're playing with Trixie. At least seem excited about it.
She was a minute ago.
She was sitting over here, then she ran over there.
Mocha's thing she plays with, I don't know where she went. She got off somewhere. She had it earlier. Is she got this little red catnip mouse that she just adores. Mocha's like, catnip mouse! Trixie's like, rubber Polly Pocket clothes.
You're weird. You fail.
I do. Where did it go?
You know...
No, I don't know. I think I'm having more fun than the cat is. Beyond crack. Beyond crack. Beyond crack. Crack. You know,
You're not on crack.
She just twitched as like she was gonna run away. She was like, meh. Wait, it's your hat! Hat. Hat.
Her face.
When?
I can't handle that. Aww. What you doing? And she's down. We're still. She's got the hat on.
I don't always wear hats, but when I do, they're Polly Pocket.
am so clever.
You crank that soldier boy. She's like, what?
What? Hi. Her face.
I steal your air.
Her eyes.
Come back, you need your hat.
Oh, it's okay.
What's wrong?
Oh, look.
She came back.
She forgot her hat. Oh, she just doesn't
Where's
care.
Smoke on her catnip mouse?
Oh no, I remember her being over here with it, and then she ran away. Forever.
I found it.
You got this.
Oh, you're not under there. Damn it.
And she's back.
I found it. Crack. You want a hat too? Hat. You don't get that fucking thing off my face.
Mine.
Weird.
Backpack.
I don't know where it went.
Where'd it go, guys? He's just here. Oh!
Oh, okay. I don't watch it.
Remember when I threw that glove at Patches with my left hand and it hit him in the head?
Yeah. I did that.
I just videotaped that? Yeah, I just videotaped it. No,
I think I threw this
edited
at
that.
Trixie last night, because Mocha was playing with it, and I picked it up off the ground, and Trixie was like, so do it at Trixie. I think I hit her in the eye. Or close, or like above her eye. Like, I didn't even like actually like throw it, I just went like that.
Oh, she got... Ah!
No. 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 This is your hat. Oh.
Don't eat your hat.
Hat. Hat. Hat. Hat. Oh. Hat. Shoulder blades. Yeah.
And Trixie's just like, forever alone. What are you doing? This is
Is
mine.
it bad that I was expecting her to start meowing like Patches?
Okay then. That's my purse. Really? Of all things you start to play with, you play with my purse. No.
Yeah, it's the cuteness.
Trixie's just back there like, I'm just gonna... What the fuck? Get off! You dick? It's mine though. She's holding it onto the ground like, oh my god.
Meow.
Walking, fuck walking, drags you across the floor. I need to go, but the cat, and the crack, and the purse, and the nip. Oh, the glorious... God damn it, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Carry tail. You don't even care.
I ain't even mad, bro. I ain't even mad. I got my nip.
Ready? Okay. Hat.
Flesh wound.
And Trixie.
Oh, she has her hat. The Polly Pocket pants. Or dress. Or whatever the fuck it is.
Usually they're about cats and crack. Today they're about cats on crack.
Oh.
See what we did there? That's what you get Mocha for
Did you
Christmas.
see her leg just now?
No, but I'll see it later when I watch this vlog.
Exactly. Oh. Anywho, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna, I don't know, tumble.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Yay! See you.
Cat.
She's like, my nip. So you'll see you guys tomorrow. Because we have to do something tomorrow. Can't be boring all the time.
Say good. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Say goodnight.
Say goodnight. Good night, Internet.
I love that glare she gave me.
What was that? Oh. Go forth and be on crack.